Setting up a 4K cable box from Xfinity correctly is important if you want the best picture quality on your TV. Devices that run on the Xfinity X1 platform, such as the Xfinity XG2V2 cable box, support advanced video features like 4K Ultra HD and HDR. These technologies provide sharper resolution, better brightness, and more vibrant colors compared to standard HD. However, to actually see these improvements, the cable box must be connected properly using the right HDMI cable and configured in the settings. Once everything is set up correctly, you'll be able to enjoy clearer 4K content and enhanced visuals while watching compatible shows and channels. Step 1. Connect the cable box to your TV using a high-speed HDMI cable from the HDMI out port. Step 2. Attach the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the RF in port on the box. Step 3. Plug in the power cable, turn on your TV, and select the correct HDMI input. Step 4. Follow the on-screen setup to activate the box with your Xfinity account. Step 5. Open Settings Video and choose 4K UHD resolution and enable HDR if your TV supports it.